probability's been a little shaky, so here's some help if you want some examples to go back to. Tuesday's assignment, the most commonly missed questions were the ones that had multiple parts. So I'm kind of looking back at answers. It appears that maybe some of them were just from keying in wrong, but I'll go over some. You can retake. If you need some more help, just let me know. What is the probability that the key opens a classroom? Well, I need to look for the total each time. So there's 80 keys. So all these answers probably going to be over 80. Let's get started out. It says it opens a classroom. There are 60 out of 80 that open a classroom. It will even take that as an answer. ACT, you would have to simplify that down to 3/4, but for now, it will let you leave those. What's the probability that a key opens the teacher's lounge? Well, there's 40 out of 80. It will take that. It will take 1/2. It'll take 4 out of 8. Get the idea there. Third question, what's the probability that a key opens a classroom and the teacher's lounge? Well, it tells me 30 out of 80 do that, or 3/8. And finally, what's the probability that a key opens a classroom or the lounge? If you look, you may say, well, there's 100 keys that open classrooms or teacher lounges. But don't forget, you've got to account for these 30 that do both. So you're essentially going to add these two numbers and subtract that one. 60 plus 40 is 100 keys. But if I take away the 30, I get 70 out of 80, or 7/8. So let's look at another one. You'll find that it's very, very, very similar. Notice we've got 22 customers, 18 order pizza, 10 salad, 8 both. Let's figure this out. Well, first thing, pizza. We have 18 out of 22. Or if you simplify, you get 9 out of 11. It'll take either one. Second thing, order a salad. We've got 10 out of 22. Or if you simplify that, you get 5 out of 11. Pizza and a salad, 8. So 8 out of 22, which simplifies to 4 out of 11. And they order one or the other. Well, if you add these two up, you get 28, but you got to subtract that back out. So it's basically 20 out of 22, which is 10 or out of 11. Or notice, if you add these, 9 and 5 is 14, minus 4 is 10 out of 11 also. These were definitely the next most missed one. If you have something like this shown, they already give you the total. You've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 possibilities. So I'm looking for some answer over 24. Now, what's the probability that this 6-sided dice is 5? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities right there. Plus, or the sum of the dice is 4 or less. So that's always going to add to more than 4. We've already accounted for all those. That's going to be more than 4 right here. 4 or less would be 1 here. Then we've got this one, and this one adds to 4 or less. So there's 2 more. And over here we got that adds to 2, that adds to 3, that adds to 4. So there's 3 more. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 24, or simplifying 5 out of 12. So hope that helps out. Let me know if you need more.